everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Welcome to Learning Rights Law Center's 5th Annual Law Firm Challenge. I'm going to start sharing my screen. Share computer sound. My name is Marisol. I am the Pro Bono Coordinator at Learning Rights Law Center. To those of you who have participated in our challenge before, welcome back. Thank you so much for returning. For those of you who are new to our contest, welcome, thank you. Please excuse the barking in the background. Welcome, thank you. And this orientation is intended to give you everything you need to know in order to participate. A little bit of information on who we are at Learning Rights. This year marks our 16-year anniversary. We are a nonprofit legal services organization. We offer free legal representation to students who have experienced unequal access to their education due to disability or discrimination. And all the families that we serve are low income. Here to tell you a little more about the work that we do, please meet Andres.
Hi everyone, my name is Andres Loma. I'm 27 years old and I'm autistic. I want to take this opportunity to congratulate everyone at the Learning Right Law Center on the 15-year anniversary. Congratulations. I want to thank you for all the services you provide to the community with disabilities. My family and I are very thankful for the services that we have received from Tiger as part of the Learning Right Law Center. My parents has gotten the tools and knowledges they need to fight for my rights in Tiger classes. Thanks to Tiger, I've also had the opportunity to practice public speaking and job interviews. Public speaking is very useful for me now that I study to become an animator. I presented my films, commercials, shows to my teachers and classmates. In the future, I can use these skills to take my work to other people in other countries and languages. The practice job interview helped me prepare for when I graduate and look for a job as a professional animator. I want to tell you anyone who has contributed to helping other disabled persons to succeed in their life. I know it's not easy. I remember when I went to school and I had a person with me all the time because I have a behavior problems like being silly, run away, not following directions, and others. But thanks to my families, teachers, therapies, and other peoples like the Learning Right Law Center who helped me to succeed my life, I learned to behave well, follow directions, and other things. I know this is a lot of work and time consuming. I know it's not easy, but take it one step at a time. It's still hard for me now too because sometimes some people are mean to me because I'm acting weird and they don't understand me. I don't want people to continue to misunderstand people with disabilities. That is the reason why I'm here today. The first thing that I want to tell all parents that everything you can do for your sons and daughters and all the efforts you make for them, you will see the results someday. And the second thing, never give up. There's always something improving little by little. You can see me now when I was a little. I didn't talk at all, but now I talk more and more every time. Thanks to everyone who has supported this organization through the past 15 years. Many people with disabilities had an access to support and the resources that help them make their life better. I wish the Learning Right Law Center many more years and success in helping other people like me. Thank you and congratulations again.
Thank you, Andres, for that beautiful message and that reminder to never give up. And thank you again for being here in support of Andres and the other students that we serve similar to him and their families. An introduction, a little background on Law Firm Challenge. What it is exactly, what have you gotten yourselves into? It's essentially a competition of giving. So teams will compete through giving in various forms. One way you can compete is through monetary contributions. For every $100 that gets contributed, you will generate 1,000 points for your team. You absolutely do not need to start at $100. You can start at any level you want. That's just how we're monetizing it. But for every $100 you donate to Learning Rights, I'll show you how to do that in a second, you will be generating 1,000 points for your team. Other ways that you can participate are through pro bono, or our live virtual events. I will get into a discussion of what these are. We will have events throughout the challenge, throughout the month of June, then you can participate in live. If you are not able to participate live, they will be recorded and you can view them afterwards and still get your points. The third way that you can participate and get points for your team is through self-education. I will show you what we call our resource library, which has several resources with respect to students with disabilities, the clients we serve, to give you an idea as to why our work is meaningful and why we're asking for your support. So if you go through those resources, any time spent on those events or activities, you give yourself points. And for every hour of participation, you earn 500 points for your team. Congratulations, just by watching this orientation today. It's not an hour long, but give yourself 500 points. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, our Law Firm Challenge will run from June 1st through June 30th, so it's exactly 1 month, and all opportunities for participating will be completed virtually. Anybody who supports the vision of Learning Rights Law Center can participate. So we have teams according to law firms and legal departments, but you do not have to be an attorney to participate in our competition. You do not have to be an attorney to earn points for your team. Summer associates, paralegals, support staff, all are welcome to participate through giving or through participating and pro bono. Also, you do not need to have any type of legal experience. You do not have to have any sort of experience with disability or education law. Our contest is open to everyone, and we will make sure you have the support and training you need to participate throughout the challenge. Congratulations. As I mentioned, you've already started earning points for your team today. Make sure you give yourself 500 points, and I will show you how to do that in just a moment. So how do you participate? What is this? How do I get there? How do I navigate Law Firm Challenge? I'm here at our website, learningrights.org. I'm going to go to our events page and click on a Law Firm Challenge. This will give you everything you need to know about how to participate. Our goal, as you can see, is to raise $20,000 throughout the month of June. Remember, every $100 that you donate generates 1,000 points. If you want to participate in that way, you simply press the donate button and we will automatically allocate the points to you based on your contribution. Before I move on, I want to move down here to our 2021 participants. Thank you, Capital Group, Vanham and German, Latham and Watkins, Skadden, Morrison and Forrester, Nixon Peabody, Winston and Strawn, and the Law Office of Henry Chobmasian. Thank you so much for agreeing to participate. This is your competition for the month of June. Last year's reigning champions were Nixon Peabody, so for this year, they're the team to beat. We wish you all the best of luck. Enjoy some healthy competition between the month of June. And I'm going to go back up a little bit to how you can earn points for your team. Okay, so we talked about donation. The other way to earn points for your team is through pro bono participation or other participatory opportunities. So I'm just going to click on this. We try to make it as easy as possible for you to participate. It's going to take me down to some of our participation opportunities for now. This will be updated regularly throughout the month of June in order to include or add additional opportunities for you to earn points for your team. For now, this is what we have. As you know, everything you need to know hopefully is being given to you at this training. Log your 500 points. I'll show you how to do that. 500 points for your team. Congratulations. Another way to participate is through our Education Rights Clinic. We have intakes on a regular basis daily throughout the month of June. I encourage you, if you're interested, to reach out to Karina or Letty at Learning Rights to schedule an intake at a time that is convenient for you. Intakes take approximately 2 hours, and it's an opportunity for you to meet with the family remotely. listen to their concerns regarding their child's education, then meet with the supervising attorney to create a plan of action in order for that family to help themselves navigate the special education system and create change for their child. So it's a wonderful opportunity to meet with families, to also meet with supervising attorneys, and to make a difference in the lives of the clients that we serve on a daily basis. Again, those are happening every day. They're approximately 2 hours. Just reach out to Karina or Letty to get yourself scheduled for one. Another opportunity you'll have to generate points for your team is through our Tiger Parent Panel. Tiger stands for Teaching Individuals for Grassroots Education Reform. It's attended by literally hundreds of parents every year. It's a year-long curriculum. Most of the parents have children with disabilities or other barrier to their education, such as discrimination or bullying. And what Tiger does is teaches them how to navigate the educational system. It teaches them what their rights are, what their students' rights are, and how to enforce them. And it's always really inspiring to hear from the parents themselves who have learned how to navigate the system and learn how to be advocates. So you can earn points through participating in a panel listening to them. And all you need to do is click here. So on our webpage, we've made it as easy as possible for you to just click on the event that you're interested in and participate. Again, if you cannot do it in live time, all of the workshops will be recorded so you can see them later. Make sure you give yourself points for that. We're also going to be having a Meet the Authors discussion with Valerie Gilper and Emily Groden. Emily was born with nonverbal autism. She was unable to communicate whatsoever for 25 years and then discovered her ability to communicate through typing. And suddenly, Emily is expressing herself in these most sophisticated, beautiful ways. She's a poet, and she's a published author now with her mom. So if you'd like to hear their story, again, you just click here to participate. We'll also have a dyslexia simulation that will inform folks as to what the experience is like being in a classroom setting with if you have dyslexia or another learning disability. You will not have to prepare ahead of time. You just kind of show up, but you will be expected to participate during the simulation itself. But again, no preparation is needed. We'll have a discussion on the East LA blowouts of 1968, where students took charge and protested against the discriminatory practices in LAUSD and really made a difference in their education and in the Chicano movement. We'll have a discussion on Meet the Founders, meet Janine Steele and Alicia Mignana, who founded Learning Rights Law Center. Get to ask them questions, what inspired them, what keeps them motivated 16 years later to keeping us going. Again, easy, just click here to join and it'll take you to the link that you need. And as a reminder, we will be changing this, updating this on a regular basis. So please always check back to see what else we have going on. In terms of our resource library, these are not live events, but they are opportunities for you to participate throughout the challenge through self-education. Crip Camp, which I believe is an absolutely remarkable documentary. I cannot speak highly enough of it. Please check it out if you can. We have a little clip here on Mendez v. Westminster, the landmark case in California that preceded Brown versus the Board of Education, whereby the judge declared separate is not equal. The book that Emily and her mother Valerie wrote, I Have Been Buried Under Years of Dust. You can read that at your leisure, gain points for that, and many, many, many more opportunities. Like I said, we'll be updating these on a regular basis throughout June. If and when you are able to participate, thank you. But please remember to log your time. In order for us to give your team the points it needs, you'll need to log your time. So you'll just come here again on our webpage, click log your time and input the information that it's asking for. Remember, every hour that you commit results in 500 points for your team. So again, folks, we try to make it as easy as possible. Just go to our webpage. We will update this leaderboard on a weekly basis. Our goal is $20,000. We hope to get there. You can win points for your team by donating or by participating in any of our pro bono opportunities. And just remember to log your time. That's it for now. I hope that that helps you understand what the Law Firm Challenge is all about. I hope and I wish you all the best of luck. I cannot thank you enough on support of all in on behalf of all of us at Learning Rights, excuse me. Thank you so much for your constant support. Thank you for agreeing to participate. We're looking forward to an exciting summer of June with some healthy competition. Again, thank you all. Best of luck. If you need to contact me, my email is marisol@learningrights.org. Good luck, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.